under the sea. And may I suggest, throughout this routine, try to see those helium balloons floating all around. There are lobsters and octopuses and fish, and it made the scene really fabulous. It made you feel like you were really underwater. These are all the little mermaids. The mats are 4 little wedges plus a little square in the back by the boy and a little set of steps. Now, those are the individual pieces of what Mancino Mats put out years ago, and they called it a tumble bear square. It's all broken apart there. Now, the kids do their back roll down the mats. Everybody can do it because the wedge helps them. And this is really pretty that when they're galloping around the props, it looks pretty, and that's one of the values of having those props. Now they do a little lineup, always come away from the chaos and make a straight line so their moms can see them. Now they're going to lie on their bellies and they're swimming. And that's really good because it's under the sea. You get a few feature girls throwing their cartwheels in. After they do their belly kick their head, then they roll down that mat, and now they start to move the wedges together into that square shape, which is nice because it creates those little spots that don't have a mat. It's like a square and it's a target. The kids can go there and be very organized. There they cartwheeled into that spot, nice flare across the top. Now this is really pretty. You have the corps de ballet mermaids and a nice little ballroom dance segment on the top with the boy. When you've got the boy, I was always taught you gotta have that boy has to be a man. And now they push up into those back bends, which is easier. The wedge makes it easier for some of the kids who might not be able to do the back bend. And you have your feature girl in the front. She can do her back bend kick over, let her do it. Now here come the stage crew to move these mats around. It's not that the kids couldn't do it. They're light, but the purpose of the stage crew is I wanted them to hit an exact mark. At this point, what you're looking at is a circuit. You've got the 5 wedges, and then over in the upstage right corner, you have those steps and that square. So they cycle through each wedge, and then they all gather up after they do their cycling through. They got their rolls in. They go up to the corner and gather. What I like about this part is it goes on and on and on, and you really get to see the kids. You don't have to rush if you have time in your show and you can do a little longer number. This is really pretty. The audience gets a real good taste of this. Keep in mind, all you've seen so far is a forward roll, a backward roll, push up into the back bend, and there's that great picture pose at the end. Now, to wrap it up a little nice, we went into a conga now. Of course, the boy goes to the back because he's the man, and everybody conga lines right off the stage, leaving those beautiful mats, which will be pulled off by crew in blackout, and you can see you have a clear shot now to see those helium balloons. Beautiful number. It was really pretty.